A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today we have to discuss about the representation of organic compound by different types of chemical formulas. So in this topic we will discuss about the types of chemical formulas by which we can represent any organic compound or especially hydrocarbon. So there are four types of chemical formulas by which we can express any organic compound or hydrocarbon. Number one is called molecular formula, condensed formula, structural formula, and electronic formula. Now, what is molecular formula? We have two examples, propane and pentane. First, we will take the example of propane, and we will discuss about these four type of formulas of propane. So first molecular formula. Now first you have to understand about the molecular formula. What is the molecular formula? Molecular formula actually is the formula of the compound which only shows the types of element and total number of atoms in the formula or in the molecule. So here in molecular formula of propane C3H8, it shows there are 3 carbon atom and 8 hydrogen atom in propane, and total number of atoms are 11, 8, 9, 10, 11. It doesn't show any type of bond, single bond, double bond, or any sharing, etc. So this is only the it is called molecular formula. Now next one is condensed formula. What is condensed formula? Condensed formula is actually the condensed form of the compound in which only it is shown that which carbon is attached, which hydrogen, or how many hydrogen only. It also doesn't show any single bond or any double bond or any bonding in pair form, electron form, or shared pair form. So it is the condensed or combined form of any organic compound. So now the structural formula. In a structural formula, we expand these all carbon with their hydrogens. Let 1, 2, 3. It shows three carbon with 8 hydrogen. 3 carbon with 8 hydrogen. 8 hydrogen are with single bond, because we know that this is propane. A shows that there must be single bond, or it is saturated compound, saturated hydrocarbon. So it shows that carbon complete its 4 valency. How its 4 valency? You can understand by this. Carbon has atomic number 6. K2L4 means there are 4 valence electron in valence shell of carbon. Here 4 valency is completed or fulfilling by 3 of this carbon number 1. 1, 2, 3, 3 hydrogen and 1 carbon. So this carbon number 1 is completing or fulfilling this its 4 valency with 3 hydrogen with single bond and 1 carbon with single bond. And the same manner, this carbon is fulfilling its 4 valency with these 2 carbon single bond and with these 2 hydrogen single bond. In the same manner, this carbon has 1, 2, 3 single bond with hydrogen and 1 with carbon. So the structural formula shows the bond or type of bond of carbon with other atoms. Now electronic formula. Electronic formula means, as you can understand, that electronic. Electronic means the formula which shows the electronic configuration or the shared pair of electron or sharing of electron in between the atoms. Look here, carbon has 4 electron valence shell. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a dot. It's also called dot cross formula. Dot cross formula. So dot cross means it's a dot shows the electron of carbon and cross shows the electron of hydrogen. It represents hydrogen. Is cross and dot is not any other thing but only electron. Only the difference is, so you can understand that this cross belongs to this hydrogen and dot belongs to this carbon. So it is the electron belongs to hydrogen. It is the electron belongs to carbon. These two cross or dot shows electrons. So in this electronic formula, 1, 2, 3 carbon with each is going to share 1 electron each. The shared pair with hydrogen and carbon, shared pair hydrogen and carbon. Here sharing with carbon. So this is the electronic formula. In the same manner, you can write the formula of pentane. It's a molecular formula which shows only the type of element, 2 type of element, and total number of atoms 12, 5, 17 atoms. This is the condensed form. It shows that carbon is attached, this carbon attached with 3 hydrogen. CH2 3 within the bracket, it means that CH2 is repeated 3 times, where I show, you can show in the structure formula. CH2 3 times, CH2, 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 and CH3, it's a terminal hydrogen. These two are terminal hydrogen. So CH3, this is the, now you structure formula. If you discuss the structure formula, in the structure formula it is clear with a single bond, 3 with carbon is showing 3 hydrogen with single bond, and 1 attached with the other carbon with single bond. In the same manner, this carbon with 2 hydrogen atom and 2 carbon atom, this carbon 2 hydrogen atom and 2 carbon atom, and this carbon 1, 2, 3 hydrogen atom and 1 carbon atom is attached. So single bond shows that it's fulfilling its valency, 4 valency with single bond. Now electronic formula in the same manner as I have suggested you, 1, 2, 3. But now if there are 5 carbon, 6 carbon, 7, 8, any. So if 5 carbon, this repeated 2 more times. Same will be the formula structure will be same, but it repeated 2 more. So 1, 2, 3 as propane, and 4, 5. The same thing, you can see that the sharing of electron is shown here with the 5 carbon and hydrogen. So it shows the electronic pair or shared pair of electron with other atom of carbon and other atoms, like hydrogen. So in this topic, you can also write the formula of hexane, all the 4 formula of hexane, heptane, octane, any other formula, any of hydrocarbon. So if you understand these 2 examples, you can write any of the formula of hydrocarbon. So I hope you will understand this. Then now we will again meet in the next chapter, next topic, next series. Okay, Allah Hafiz.